So don't think always I. Always think through opposite perspective. Always look the world through opposite person's eyes. Then you will get clarity. Okay. So at least a few minutes. There is one Telugu movie is there. How many people saw that movie? I don't know. What is that movie? One of the big hit movie. Arya, wonderful movie. Wonderful movie. Have you remembered, right?
Yes,
Anyone
sir.
saw that movie?
Yes, sir.
In that Arya movie, do you know, while working in IBM in Pune, everywhere I go, Arya songs only. In Pune, there is one song will be there on the train. What is that song? I forgot. Long, almost around.
అంటే అమలాపురం.
Exactly, man. Ante Amalapuram. Wherever you go in Pune, I really got shocked. Ante Amalapuram. Okay. Wonderful, wonderful, right? Okay, that's that much popular movie. In that, there is one scene is there. Character interchange. Have you anyone remember that scene? Character interchange.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
So, character interchange. What a wonderful thing, man. Just that lady, that lady expressions. Okay, whenever this person, whenever our Pushpa, I mean Allu Arjun, is showing that reactions like, then automatically this lady is going to get tears. Have you remembered, right? Array, for this love, this much frustration I'm showing on this person. Okay, like for his pure love, this much frustration I'm showing on this person. Like she started crying, heroine. Okay, so see from opposite person's perspective, the most beautiful concept. Okay, Parakaya Pravishan. If I am, so I'm not Durga. Okay, assume that I'm not Durga. If I am, okay, so and so. So I have to think like him only. If you are going to spend a few minutes, so just like opposite person, then you will come to know the originality. Most of the problems by default will be gone.